Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to use Google Keyword Planner for free keyword research. With this tool, you can find keyword ideas, check monthly search volume, and understand keyword competition. So let's get started. First of all, open Google Chrome. Then in the search bar, search for Google Keyword Planner. Now tap the research keywords for campaigns with Keyword Planner at the top of the search results. Then tap the three dots in the top right corner and turn on the desktop site. After that, tap on your profile picture icon. If one of your Gmail accounts already has a Google Ads account and you are facing setup issues, use another Gmail account that doesn't have a Google Ads account yet. Now select that Gmail account and continue. Once you are signed in, click on the Start Now button. Now you are on the Google Ads dashboard. Here, click on Tools from the left-hand menu. Then tap on Planning. And here you select Keyword Planner. After that, click on Discover New Keywords to start your keyword research. Now let's set the target location. Here, click on the location icon. After that, simply swipe left. Then here you type the name of the country you want to target. After that, select the country from the list. And you can also add multiple countries if you are targeting more than one location. Once you are done, click on Save. Now simply swipe right and click on the search box. Then here, enter the keyword you want to research. For this example, I will type how to create a Gmail account. After that, click on Get Results. Then simply swipe right and tap on Google. Now select Google and search partners to discover more keyword ideas. Now you can see a list of related keyword ideas. Here you can check the average monthly searches to see how many times a keyword is searched each month. You can also check the competition level. Lower competition keywords are usually easier to rank. And you can also explore more related keyword ideas to find the best keyword for your content. Once you have found the right keywords, simply check the box next to each keyword. After selecting them, click on Copy to copy all the selected keywords. You can now use these keywords for your websites or to create SEO-friendly titles, descriptions, and content for your YouTube or Facebook videos. Okay guys, if you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel.